In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. So in order to create a survey on your Mailchimp, the first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is mailchimp.com. Into this part, what we can do is we can head over and then just go and log in if you already have an account. But if you do not have one yet, you can click onto this sign up option right here in order to sign up. So since I already have an account, let me head over and click onto this login option that we can see right here. This is what the homepage looks like. In order to create a survey, you need to head over right here to your audience. And under this, you can see the survey option. So head over and click on this. Now in here, just click on this create new survey option. And then this will open the Mailchimp editor in order to create your own survey onto this part. So you can just wait for this to successfully load all together in order to see this. So name your survey right here. For example, let's input right here RSVP and choose in here the survey or the audience that you want. Click onto this begin right here. Once you're right here, you can just add in here some insights from your survey. So click onto this plus icon and input right here some elements such as introductions, radio buttons, range, open text, emails, and the likes. In this case, let's input right here an introduction, and you can embed a text introduction and input right here what you would like to say. So for example, this is for the event of XYZ. Then let's add in here another one. And then into this right here, you can see this content blocks, contact information, email, checkboxes, and the likes. In this case, let's choose in here radio buttons, and you can input right here your question. Let's ask them, are you going to attend? So just input right here the question for your survey and input right here the answer for that. So on this case, I'll input yes or no. Now you can add another more right here. And then for this one, head over and click onto this continue to design option into this part. And after that, it should be able to do this. And you can just customize the design altogether into this part as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.